Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to promote ClickBank products without a website with free traffic. My name's Graeme. I'm an affiliate marketer and I make money online selling other people's products, not even having my own products. And I'm going to show you how you can do that using ClickBank. Now, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, hitting that subscribe button and also the bell icon. It will get you notified of any future videos I post, which I post regularly. And it'll also help the YouTube algorithm because it'll let YouTube know that these are the sorts of videos that you like. All right, so let's move on and get into it. But before I do that, in the next week, I'm going to be giving away a $50 Amazon voucher. And if you're interested to be in the draw for that, you'll want to watch till the end to get instructions on how to do that. Now, the great thing about affiliate marketing is you don't even need to be able to sell the product. You don't need a website, because what we're going to do, we're going to go over to ClickBank. And if you haven't got an account, it's simple. I'm not going to go through that. It's free. Sign up here. Click the sign up button. And just a couple of things about ClickBank. It's over 20 years old now. You can sign up from over 200 countries, and it's done over $4.2 billion in affiliate commission. So it's pretty straightforward. Once you've signed up, you'll be given a nickname, and then you can just go over here to the marketplace. And as you'll see, there are thousands of products that you can promote in many, many different categories and subcategories. So what we want to do is we want to look for a product. Let's say there's a couple of ways we can do this. Now, you can go over here and search for a product, say, in the categories. And you can also filter by by rank or by gravity. And what gravity is the number of affiliates that have made a sale in the last at least one sale in the last 30 days. So many of these affiliates would have made multiple sales. As you can see, it lists the different products, and we're just filtered by rank here. So rank is the most popular in the categories, and you can see Wood Profits has got only a gravity of 19 or 20, but it's a very popular product. And then again, you've got, and it pays $29, and you've got the next one here, Forex, which is probably a Forex trading program, how to trade Forex. It's only got a gravity of 15, but it pays $230 commissions. Now, don't worry, there's many different ways you can do this. Now, some people would say go up. Another way you can search is go back here to the main page, but go up here and just search for. You can search for the product by rank, and searching from the search bar up here, it lists all the top ranked products in all the different categories. So not by category, but by ranking. So the most popular product at the moment has a gravity of 641, is the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. A lot of demand, but also a lot of competition. Now you want a reasonable demand, but you don't want to be competing, especially if you're new. So I'm going to show you another way that will work for you if you're new. Let's have a look in health and fitness. And that's where the Okinawa Flat Belly Fix is. What we're going to do, BioFit pays $173. Average commission, gravity is 326. Now, have a look down here. What you could do is you could pick a higher price one. Pick three products. Pick three products out of this category. And these are all around weight loss, okay? Now they've got different gravities. I picked three with a different price range. And I'm going to take you now over to another website. Now this is, you're building a landing page here. It's a free website. And as you can see, you can sign up for it. It's free. And you can put multiple links. Now, I'd pick three products, and what we're going to do then is we're going to get the links of those three products, the hop link, the affiliate link. So what this website looks like once you've signed up. So this is just another link tree that I've set up. You can have multiple ones of these. And so when you go in and sign up, you put your title, whatever you want the title, and inside it you put your affiliate link, and then this is what it looks like. And then this link up here is the link that you will promote. So you could have a higher price, a lower price, 3 different things, and get titles, catchy titles will entice people to click on them. All right, so we're going to go back now and get the affiliate. Now, I'm not going to choose a product. I'll let you do that. But let's say to get your affiliate link, let's just say we're promoting this product. You click on promote. So your account nickname is there. Click on generate hop link. And I usually go by the default because that'll be a video sales letter and they convert better. Now get this nice, ugly looking link there and save it. So you're going to save that 3 products that you choose. And we're going to go back over to Linktree. And you'll sign up. I'm just going to log in. And this is what it looks like inside. Now, why I use this is it allows you to put 3 products. You can put multiple products, as many as you want, but you don't want to give people too big an option. It becomes confusing. So that's what mine looks like at the moment. It's really simple. You click on add a link. What you do then is you get a title. This is where you put your affiliate link. Go back to the product, and you might the only toenail fungus on offer. And so just have a look at the website and have a look at what the title is. So I'd probably use something like they've got here, 5 steps to support good toenails and hair, because they've done the research. They know what works, what's catchy. So I'd use that back in my Linktree title, and then you put your URL in there. Do that with 3 products. Now, just 2 thoughts here. You can go for, as I've said, different range of products. If you've got a product that makes you $100+ per sale, and you need to make 1 sale a day, and the other thought is, using products that cheaper products that you might make $20-$30 per sale that sell for $40 or $50, and you would sell more of, so you need to sell more to make the same commission. My suggestion is maybe do two link trees and just test it, see what happens. Test and see what happens. Now, how are you going to make a YouTube video? Well, I'm going to show you, because you don't need to be able to sell, because the website does the selling for you. They do all the customer support, etc., the payment processing. So you're going to go over here to YouTube. How do you know what to make a video about? All right, so let's look at how to lose weight, because that's what these 3 topics are. Or I might type in weight loss for a start, or how to lose. And if you see here, the YouTube is telling you what people are already typing in. Weight loss tea, weight loss for people with disabilities. I might go some variations, how to lose weight, and see what. So how to lose weight naturally, how to lose weight fast for teenagers. Now these are search terms that people are using, so don't reinvent the wheel. So I might go with how to lose weight naturally. Now I would have a look at the other videos that come up. How to lose weight fast. Have a look at the most highly ranked videos, and you're just going to model. You can make your own video. Have a look at the top 3. This one's got 219,000 views, only done 11 months ago. Have a look at the video. Now, don't worry if you don't like making videos. In a moment, I'm going to show you another way that you can actually use somebody else's YouTube video legally. So have a look. Now, the other way is you can go and get someone off a website like Fiverr to make you a short video if you don't want to. It's really simple to make a video. You can use a PowerPoint and just put images together. Have a look at some of these videos here and get some ideas. Now to demonstrate this even better, I'm going to type this term in here, e-commerce. As you can see, e-commerce business for beginners. Now, what's interesting about this, if you have a look, how to start an e-commerce business. Now what I'm going to do, I want to click on that. That's got a lot of views, but I want to go down here and title of the video. What's already working. We don't want to. There we go. So we're going to copy that, go back up here. I'm going to show you how you can benefit from these large high searched videos. All right, how to start an e-commerce business for beginners 21. Here we go. How to start an e-commerce business for beginners 2021. So what these guys have done, he's going off the title of somebody else's video, and that search term is highly searched. It's already ranking well because he's got 233,000 views. This guy's got 21,000 views in 3 months. So, and then you can just model the description and what you're going to do. So you write a description, you put some tags, and what you do is you put your Linktree link in here. Now the video would be, you'd make a video generally because you've got 3 different products, so about losing weight. Now, as you can see, put a disclaimer as well. You always need to put a disclaimer. It's law now that you just put it. If you don't know what to put for an affiliate disclaimer, you just go and search affiliate disclaimer on Google, and you can just copy and paste it pretty well. You just need to let people know that any links there may be a link, an affiliate link, and then if you purchase through that link, that you will receive a commission at no cost to them. Most people don't read it, so don't be put off with it. Now, if you don't want to make a video yourself, I'm going to show you now how you can benefit off somebody else's video. All right, so we're going to search for weight loss, and you'll see all these videos come up here. To the left-hand corner, you will see this little icon here which says filters. Click on the filters, and what we want to do, go across here to Creative Commons. Now what Creative Commons is people have created videos and they allow you to use them as your own, and you don't get any copyright strikes or anything like that, because that's what Creative Commons are. They're created by someone else and you can use them. So as you can see, there's all these videos. Go through and find one that will suit you. Let's just have a look at this one. Now, I always double check. I just scroll down to the bottom because it'll have on the license, there it says Creative Commons Attribution License, Reuse Allowed. So find a video that's relevant, and then you just download it. You can go, I've got a plugin I use there, or you can just go to Google and search for YouTube download the video, and then you can re-upload it on your channel. But what you want to name the title of the video when you're uploading it is that highly searched title that you got from someone else's video. So, and then you go through and model the description, the tags, and you put your Linktree affiliate link in it. Now, another that you can do, you can go over to a website called dtube, d.tube, and this website is also free. All right, so here I'm at dtube to sign up. Just go through. As you can see, you get voting power. It's called answer the optional verifications to earn voting power, and that'll help you maybe get your videos to go viral. So I won't go through it all here. You can do that. Just go and sign up. So this is what I was saying here. They're optional, but you get some voting power with it. All right, so we're going to choose our video. Let's say we've got our video link here from YouTube. We're going to upload that to dtube. So all we do is we go over here. Very smart this. We're logged in. Click on upload. Pretty straightforward. As I said, you upload it, go through, change the title to the title that we found for the highly searched video, and just it will just pre-populate the video, the thumbnail, everything for you. So that's how to promote ClickBank products without a website with free traffic. If you got value from this, hit that bell icon, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notified of any future videos. Now, I told you I'd show you how you go into the draw for the Amazon $50 voucher. All you need to do is comment below that you got value from the video and make sure you subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. There's some more tree training in the links in the description below.